Yeah.
Okay, please, I'm doing an interview on updating the public on the way to academic success.
I'm the light.
Are you a student of Uniport?
Yes.
What course do you study?
Dental surgery.
Lillian. Are you a student of Uniport?
Yes,
What do you study?
economics.
Okay. What course are you studying in Uniport?
Economics.
Economics. What's it all about?
Economics.
Yeah.
What is economics all about?
Yeah. Okay.
Very good. I was in front of my friend Ella.
You were studying in Uniport?
Yes, 400 level in geography and environmental management.
Geography and environmental management.
Yes. Godwin.
Are you a student of Uniport?
Yes, 400 level.
400 level. What course do you study, sir?
Geography and environmental management.
Geography and environmental management. Yeah. So, are you a student here, sir?
I'm a student of journalism.
Student here. Okay. What course are you studying, sir? Can you share with us your course? Cyber security. That's very nice. So, they have cyber security in Uniport. Are you a student here?
Yes, I
So,
am.
what level?
Level 100.
What course?
NCT.
MCT. So, what course are you studying? Yeah. What course are you studying?
Educational psychology.
Educational psychology.
Yeah.
Huh?
Dental surgery.
surgery. Okay. So, what's it all about?
It's just like medicine, and then when you get higher, it's about everything concerning the mouth.
Okay, everything concerning the mouth. Okay, so what's cyber security all about, sir?
Cybersecurity has to do with computer, internet prevention. It's just like is let's just generalize it as knowing the effects and using it to prevent.
Educational psychology.
Yeah.
Can you tell more line on that? What is it all about?
About studying life itself and human being, how they behave and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you throw more line on the course? What's the course all about, sir?
Okay, now geography and environmental management is the course that studies the environment, the earth crust, the vegetations, when you see the vegetations like these leaves, and we talk about the weather, climate change, and everything. Now, it's a course that is broad, has different categories in it. It's a two-certificate course, one on the physical part and the human part. They have the physical part, have the environmental management, the human part, you have the geography.
Can you throw more line on your course? Like, what is the course all about, sir?
All right, when you talk about geography simply in a layman understanding is just the description of the features of the earth, their uniqueness, where they are being found, why they are there, why what causes them to be there. So that is just the lay understanding. But geography generally, just like the one we are studying here, is divided into two. It has the environmental aspect, which is the human geography, and the physical geography. And the physical geography is simply the features that are found on the earth's surface, while the human geography talk about the activities of man in the environment.
Wow.
Journalism is about telling the citizens about what's going on in the country,
About what's going on in the country.
like expressing how the country economics are going, all those kind of things.
That's very nice. Can you share with us some of your best experience in your field of study?
My best experience is the ability to meet people of like minds that have the same goal to you. Like sometimes when I'm going for classes or reading in the night classes, at least I'm always sure that once I'm there, I'm not going to be alone. I still have my classmates that are also there to be with me, to keep me company and read with me and the rest of that. That's what I love so much about
Okay.
it.
That level. Can you share with us some of your best experience in school?
I don't have any best
You don't have
experience.
any best experience in school. Share with us some of your best experience when you were in school.
Best?
Your experience, like your experience when you were in school.
Well, my experiences when I was in school, it was really difficult for me because,
Difficult.
in the perspective of, my sponsorship wasn't that, formidable, something like that.
Okay.
So I had to manage myself. I had to patch up.
Okay, so can you share with us some of your experience in the campus?
Well, Uniport is a good school to be, and I must bet you, and I must tell you for free, that it's not easy, and Uniport is not for the weak.
It's not for the weak.
It's not for the weak.
What do you mean by Uniport is not for the weak, sir?
Well, academic wise, if you're not academic very stable, you cannot be a Uniport.
So which means you have to be smart to be a Uniport.
Of course.
Okay, so
Best experience in the campus. Okay. Everywhere is good, but I just focus on school. That's all. Come to
alright,
school. ASAP. Lecture finish. Go house.
you go have.
Yes.
So if you are in position to advise the upcoming generation into the academic world, what would be your best advice for them?
Don't come.
They should not come. So can you share with us some of the reasons why they should not come?
I'm actually joking. School has its own ups and downs, right? So you should just be prepared while coming.
Okay, so lastly, if you are to advise the younger generation coming into the academic world for the very first time, what would be your best advice for them, sir?
Just be serious.
Be serious. Can you like how?
Like just be serious. Just be focused and determined.
Be serious with your academic.
Be focused and always aim high.
Okay, to advise the upcoming generation, like the younger generation coming into the academic world, what will be your best advice for them?
My best advice for them is to remain focused because this school is filled with so many distractions. So when you can just come to the school today, your plan was to go to classes and learn, and as you're just stepping in, if you're not properly disciplined or properly guided, you see yourself not even going to the class at all. So you just my advice is for you to remain focused, and for you to be focused, you need discipline. You need discipline. Know what you came to school to do. You can have other activities, you can make friends, you can have fun, do everything, but just still know that the main aim of coming to Uniports is not just to have fun. Your main aim is to get that degree, and that degree should be the reason why you do everything. So you should not be too lazy. You shouldn't even be lazy. So you should be diligent.
If you are to advise the upcoming generation into the academic world, what will be your best advice to them, sir?
Bah. Me, I for tell them make dem no go school o.
Why, sir?
Oh boy. Even though you go this school finish sef, work no dey. Work no dey. There's no work. You know it very well. There's no work.
Okay.
There are many, like only one department, 200 and something journalism. When there are others, year one, year two, where they work, who won't give them the work?
If you are to advise the upcoming generation coming into the academic world, what will be your best advice for them, sir?
Young students who are coming into
The higher institution.
university, go for what you love. You understand?
So if you are to advise the upcoming generation, like the younger generation coming into the academic world, what will like be your best advice for them, sir?
Oh, my best advice for them will be, it's not rosy after your academics.
Yeah.
It's not rosy because in Nigeria, you see the unemployment rate is high.
Yes.
So you still have it at the back of your mind that you are going to fall back to the streets as nothing.
Yes.
Maybe you just be sophisticated in your vocabulary, your application of grammar and co. But just have it at the back of your mind that you are falling back to the street. Unless you are doing you are studying a professional course like medicine and surgery, because the medical sector seems to be lucrative in Nigeria.
Okay.
Because if worse come to shove, you can see that they are giving free offers to come abroad.
Okay. Yeah, we are still at Uniport doing our daily activities. She's one of the best person I've interviewed today. She really gets it right. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Peter by name. Are you?
Delight.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. Once more, I'm Peter by name. Thank you, bro, for your time.
My pleasure. I'm Nnamdi by name.
Okay, Nnamdi.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
All
My
right,
pleasure.
Thank you. So, lastly, what do you have to tell our viewers?
Hi.
All right, thank you very much for your time.
Hi.
Okay. I do appreciate it. I'm Peter by name. Are you?
I'm Victoria.
Victoria. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. All right.
School no easy and have money to
do one or two things.
do one or two
All right,
things.
thank you very
That's
much
all.
for your time. I do appreciate it. I'm Peter by name. And you?
Okay, I'm Rex. Rex
All right,
Oyimachi.
thank you. Okay, thank you very much. All right, thank you very much, sir, for your time. I do appreciate it. Once more, I'm Peter by name.
Bob Manuel by name.
Bob Manuel. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm Peter by name.
I'm Mayor.
Mayor. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, sir. Thank you very much for your time. Is it your friend? Same course. All right, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I'm Peter by name. Bro, thanks. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. Once more, I'm Peter by name.
Godwin.
Nice meeting you, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.